Okay, Chin, so this is your performance test for first quarter in English. So, this is called the vowel sound detective. Okay?
Okay.
So, I want you to hold it. What you're going to do with the help of Nanay is that you're gonna go around the house and look for things that has short vowels and long vowel sounds. The first thing you're gonna look for are short vowel sounds. For example, cat. Is that a short vowel or long vowel?
Short vowel.
So you're gonna write down cat there, but you can't use it anymore because I already used that as an example, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Look for
so
another one.
we're gonna have to fast forward this until the end, but I'm showing this to you so that you would know the instructions for this activity, okay? Okay, you can start now. Nanay, can you assist her?
Okay.
Excuse me.
You pick an item and then you tell me what is that. What is that?
It's a pen.
Ouch.
It's a pen. I'm okay. It's a pen.
Oh, pen. Is it short or
Short.
long vowel? Because what is the sound of the vowel there? The pen.
Anak, don't cover your paper with your hair.
Oh, what's the vowel there? Anong letter? Okay, how do you pronounce E here?
A.
Next. Go look for the-
4 more.
Cup.
Okay, what is that?
Cup.
What is the vowel there?
U.
Okay, what is the sound of U in that word? Okay, next.
And then look. At this.
Dapat ginawan mo rin daw siya. Number.
Category.
How about that one over there? Pumpkin.
Ano ba yan? Al lang pa naman.
Nanay. It's
What
a
is
box.
that? Okay.
So what?
A box.
Box.
What's the vowel there?
Oh.
Dahan-dahan.
What's the vowel there?
Oh.
One word. Oh, how do you pronounce O in that word?
Oh.
Okay. Next. 2 more short vowels.
Car. Car.
What's the vowel?
Ah.
Sound.
Ah.
Asked.
Us. How about for dinosaur? Pig. Pig.
What is the vowel?
E. Eh.
Okay, very good, Chin.
Hindi buro.
Next.
Now, look for
Ito
Long
medyo
vowel.
words or things that has
Tougher.
long vowels.
Tougher siya. Yung longer words naman, love, grade 3 ka na eh. Mahaba namang word. Make it a longer word. Look for longer words.
Duck. No, that one. No.
Nag-guide her na.
Can I move this?
Nanay, it comes duckling.
Nangyari sa kanya.
I got it now. This is my feet.
Hmm?
Feet.
Lovey, need help here. Okay, go ahead.
Ooh.
Ooh.
You mean ooh?
That's the
Okay.
fish. Yan ba yung malaking bird?
What's some
Di Queenie, habaan ang ano, words please.
Are you looking? Oh, monkey. Poop.
Ay, okay, miss, touch ko lang yung signal din.
Okay. Okay. A poop. Monkey. A poop. Cup.
Ano daw yun? Anong word yun?
Sink. Sink. Yeah, sink. Yeah.
Go ahead, write it down. I'll check it later.
Yung second word, ano yan?
Much. Much? It's my favorite, right?
Ah, okay.
Where's the cup? Oh. Then I look at me. I think leather.
Babae na sa pala.
I think look at me.
Ay, huwag malikot. Baka mahulog yung phone. Dumi na. Pwede nang burahin pala ito eh, no? Arrange.
Can I see what's that? Paper. Paper? Yeah, paper. Okay. Paper.
Uy, yun yung nakasulat sa ano eh. Nakasulat pa yun yung sunod sa ano eh. Yung pa yun yung way sabi mo.
Stick. Stick. What? That's a promise. Then.
Okay.
Dabo.
Gaga, doon ka muna sagot.
Nika, print tayo ng kukuloran mo.
Okay, anak. So, let's check muna yung short
Vowel.
vowels mo. Okay? So, pen. You didn't write your name pala. Write your name later, ha?
Okay.
So, that's a check mark. Cup. Ah. Can you read for me?
Box. O. Car. A. Pig. I.
Very good. Let's go sa long. Feet. Very good. Mochi. Ano yung vowel mo dyan? Oh. Hindi naman yan mochi eh. Mo. Oh.
Mo.
So that's wrong.
That's
That's a short vowel. Sink. What do you think?
Oh, baka matina.
Eh. It's not a long vowel. It's just eh. Like pig.
okay.
So that's wrong. Paper. Paper is correct. Stick. It's just like sink. It's short a lot.
Okay.
So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 10. Okay. Very good, Francine. Francine got 7 out of 10.